Copy link from comment section or description. Paste link to any browser. Download 2 files by clicking double tap. Click on download. I already download those files. Same process for second file. After downloading, it looks like that. Open it. Open readme. Copy password. Click on extract here. Paste password tech Aditya 12345. Extracting in progress. Wait. After completing extraction, open folder. Scroll down. Open application. Loading. Enjoy Photoshop CC and don't forget to hit subscribe, like button.